こんにちは。
こんにちは。
I'm Yuki.
I'm fine.
This video is for the people who want to learn Japanese easily and simply. For the people who want to talk. So we use many spoken language. If it can, Japanese more shorter. はい。So let's start.
ギガ日本語
Today we learn self-introduction with just 3 grammar.
おー。
Easy one. First grammar, です。Second grammar, は。Third grammar, の。
おー。
はい。Let's start. Nice to meet you. はじめまして。
はじめまして。
This is first time to meet, like this kind of meaning. And then, はい。First grammar, です。I am Gugu. 私は Gugu です。I, 私は is particle for the topic, and then Gugu, です。This is a pride form. In Japanese, you many times use pride form with older people or with the people you don't know well. If you put this, you can communicate with all people. So this is what you learn in school, but actually in your conversation, you can make shorter.
おー。
I think you like it. Gugu です。In Japan, I, you, she, he, many times you don't say it. So just Gugu です is enough. So I am Gugu, Gugu です。
ググです。
That's it. And then I am Japanese is 日本人です。
日本人です。
Okay? I am student 学生です。
学生です。
Yep. And よろしくお願いします。
よろしくお願いします。
This means what?
Please be nice to me.
yeah.
Yeah.
When you meet someone and then last you say this. This is a little bit long, but お願いします is like a many times you can say, so please remember. Okay, so let's try.
Okay. はじめまして。ググです。日本人です。学生です。よろしくお願いします。
Oh, nice. Okay. So now we learned how to explain yourself. Just this is okay. But of course you want to ask what is your name? Where are you from? Then second grammar. は?
おー。
What is your name? 名前は何ですか? 名前 name 何 what ですか? is a question. So what is your name? 名前は何ですか? is what you learn in school. But it's also long, right? Then you can make shorter.
おー。
名前は
おー。
is enough. Very easy.
Very easy.
So what is your name? 名前は
うさです。
What is your job? 仕事は
教師です。
Where from? 出身は
タイです。
出身 is a place you came from. So not タイ人. タイ人 is Thai person. But Thai, this answer is a place. If you use this form, even you can ask like this. Do you have a boyfriend? 恋人は
I do. います。
So this は you can ask many things. And it's also possible. Now, she also want to ask me. Then, and you?
ググさんは
In Japanese, you, あなた is not used many times. So use the name. He's Gugu. And then like in Japanese, for the polite, like a Mr. Gugu, Miss Gugu, Gugu-san is more polite to call some people. And then, and you is
ググさんは
it's okay. And then, I don't, いません. Like this.
Okay.
Yeah. So just use は You can ask name, job, do you have a boyfriend, girlfriend, and you, everything, same grammar is okay. Very easy.
Very easy.
Okay, so let's try.
What is your name? 名前は？
うさです。
What is your job? 仕事は？
教師です。I'm teacher.
Where are you from? 出身は？
タイです。
Do you have a girlfriend? 恋人は？
I do. います。And you? ググさんは？
I don't. いません。
いいですね。Third grammar の。What is your job? 仕事は？
教師です。
Yes. But maybe you want to say I'm English teacher. In Japanese, use no. So English の teacher. 英語の教師です。Like this. So for example, my phone. 私のスマホ。Apple phone. アップルのスマホ。Japanese music 日本の音楽。Even you can say my first love English teacher 私の初恋の英語の先生。So no is like this. 出身は？
タイです。
But you want to say I'm from Bangkok. Then?
タイのバンコクです。
Yes. Be careful. In Japanese, like Japan, Tokyo, Akiba. So from the big place to smaller. But English is opposite, right? Akiba, Tokyo, Japan. English more specific place, then bigger. So this is 3 grammar. And then with just 3 grammar, you can do a conversation of the introduction. Okay, let's practice.
Okay. はじめまして。
はじめまして。
ググです。日本人です。学生です。名前は？
うさです。
仕事は？
英語の教師です。
出身は？
タイのバンコクです。
恋人は？
いません。
よろしくお願いします。
よろしくお願いします。Nice. Now, if you meet new Japanese people, you can use this one. So that's it. But we also learn another one. In Japan, many times you use a pride form, and then in school also you just learn pride form at first. But sometimes you meet with new people with like a same age, and then you don't want to use a pride form. It's more closer. Then you can use a casual form. So let's practice, and it's much easier. So nice to meet you. It's same. はじめまして。
はじめまして。
Oh, I'm Gugu. Gugu です。But when you use a casual, this also you don't need. So just Gugu. You say your name is also okay. Very easy.
Very easy.
So I'm Gugu. Gugu. I'm Japanese. 日本人。I'm student. 学生。What is your name? 名前は It's also same.
うさ。
What is your job? 仕事は
英語の教師。
Where from? 出身は
タイのバンコク。
So when you casual, you don't need to put this. That's okay. But verb is a little bit difficult. 恋人はい
る。
Verb is pride form is います but casual form is いるit will be more difficult many rules so later just remember いる
Okay.
then よろしくお願いします。Please be nice to me. But お願いします you don't need it. So just よろしく easy.
Easy.
Okay, let's try.
Okay. はじめまして。
はじめまして。
ググ、日本人、学生。名前は
うさ。
仕事は
英語の教師。
出身は
タイのバンコク。
恋人はい
る。
よろしく。
よろしく。Good, good, good, good. Okay, so this is a self-introduction. If you meet Japanese, please use. Using is best way to practice. Okay, so see you.
See you.